you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shuchetana and I make content related to beauty, makeup and lifestyle. And if you are interested, please take a moment to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the notification bell just next to it so that you don't miss any update. And now let's move on to the video. So this is another tutorial and today I'll create this beautiful pink monochromatic makeup look. I love monochromatic looks a lot. I have done a brown monochromatic look as well. If you haven't watched it, I'll link it here. You can go and watch that. And today I'll create this one. And if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So I will start off with the base, and for that, as usual, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Polish primer. So yeah, let me do my base first. Applying my face's compact. I'm done with the brows and now I will set my face with the Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer. The setting spray is so beautiful. You can see the glow on my face. I'm loving it. Now I'll start the eye makeup, and for that today I'm using this Nika K birthday cake palette and we are doing a pink eye look today. So I'm taking this lighter pink shade first and I'll apply it on my crease. After that I'm taking this darker pink shade and I'll apply it just on the outer corner of my eye to give it a nice depth. And then I'm blending it all again. And next I'm taking this Nika K's Sugar Plum palette and I'm taking this pink foiled shade and I'll apply it on my eyelid. This is such a gorgeous shade. I'm in love with this one. But we just have to be a little careful while using these shades because they can have a little bit of fallout because these are foiled shades. Now from the same palette I'm taking this pink shade and I will apply it on my lower lash line. And right now the camera is not at all justifying how gorgeous the eye is looking. Like I'm trying to show the shine but it's not, the camera is not catching it up properly. So yeah. For my lower lash line I'm using this Sugar Kajal Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl in the shade Black Magic. I will apply this gorgeous shade on my inner corners. Beautiful. Finishing off with the mascara. We'll do my rest of the face now. For blush, I'm using this MyGlamm K Play Strawberry Blush. It's a beautiful pink blush. And for highlighter, I'm using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. Also applying it on my brow bone. And for my lipstick, I'm using this Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Touch of Spice. I actually wanted to wear a bright pink shade, but I just want to highlight the eyes the most, so I think I'll go with this nude lipstick. But I'm not sure because I keep on changing and mixing lipsticks. So let me wear this one first, and then I'll see what I can do. For a change, I'm just loving the lipstick because I thought I'll mix something with this one, but no, I'm really liking how it's looking. Do let me know if you're liking this combo. And so yeah, this is the finished look. I'll just wear my earrings and be back. So that was it about today's video. I created this makeup look and I'm in love with how this turned out. It's looking so glowy and pinky and fresh. I hope you guys liked it too. And if you did, do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends and family. That would mean a lot to me. You can follow me on Instagram as well. I keep on posting a lot of content on Instagram as well. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, I would put the link of my Instagram handle in the description below. You can check it out from there and follow me on Instagram as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe and lots of love. Bye.